What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're finally doing an updated brow routine. I've been getting requests to do this video for a very long time. Since my last brow routine video, a lot has changed, so I'm guessing that's why you guys requested it. So if you want to see how I do my brows, please keep watching. Typically, when it comes to doing my brows, my favorite eyebrow pencil is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I use it in the shade dark brown. And if I was ever to run out of this pencil or I couldn't find it, the next best thing for me, which is drugstore and more affordable, is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. I use it in the shade deep brown. As you guys can see, I have sparse to no brows, so I don't really have a shape. But if you do have a shape, I would say your best bet is to outline the shape of your brows. I kind of have to freestyle it, or just do what I want my brows to look like. There's some type of shape there, but it's so sparse that if you're not accustomed to doing brows like this, you just have to wing it. So I kind of start from this inner part right here and follow the shape of my eyebrow. As well as my brows being sparse, they are also not the same, so I kind of have to try to make sure they look similar. Okay, now from there I do the top part. Now that they're both outlined, I'm gonna go ahead and color them in using this pencil, depending on my mood that day. If I'm lazy, I'm just gonna sloppily color it in, but since this is a tutorial, I'm going to do it the proper way, which is, well, for me, which is to just make little hair strokes. I go lighter on the inner part because I don't want that block brow look, so I go softer over here, and then as I get closer to the tail, I go a little harder and darker. Okay, here they are. I don't think they look exactly alike, but they're gonna have to do. Typically when I do my brows, when I'm doing my full face of makeup, I'll just put my eyebrows on and then go about my makeup, and then towards the end I would finish them off. But since this is a brow video, I'm just going to go ahead and show you all the steps to my brows. Next I would use a concealer that's closer to my skin tone, because I don't want that really bright carving of my brows. I just rather it look more natural. I'm using KKW number 12 concealer, and I just take the concealer and just leave a little bit under my brow. I'm using a Luxie 221 flat definer brush. You can use a brush like this or a brush like this. It's all up to your preference. I can use either one, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to use this to go ahead and carve out my brows and fix whatever mistakes that I made. Also in this step, if you find that your brows do not look similar, this is the step where you could go in with concealer and try to fix the shape. I also use these dense domed brush to blend out the concealer. This is a Morphe R33 brush, and from here I just blend out the concealer. And then I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, and from here you could do the top parts of your brows if you feel the need to. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but when I do it, I don't like to use a lot of concealer, so I just like take the brush and like tap the wand a little bit. And then from there, like if I've accidentally taken out too much of my brows, I'll go in and try to neaten it up. This brow is a little thicker in the front than this one is. Okay, I know we've done quite a few steps, but we're not done. Now I like to use my Bushy brow pen by Lime Crime, and I'm using this in the shade Brownie. I have Brownie and Smoky. I use whichever one I grab first. It doesn't matter to me. And we're gonna make more brow hairs. This pen makes the like fake flicks of hair stand out more. And you could also take it to neaten up and crispen up lines. Can you guys see the difference? I don't know of a affordable version of the brow pen. I know that's like $18, and I know Urban Decay has one too, which is probably around the same price, but I don't know of one that's like drugstore price. The next step is the Bushy Brow Gel by Lime Crime. An affordable version of that would be Elf's Brow Wow. You could get this at your local drugstore, I think, and if not, you could find it on Ulta.com and elf.com. So many places make brow gels, so like you could find one anywhere. This one is in the color Smoky, so that means it's tinted. The Lime Crime Bushy Brow has little fibers in it. I think so does the elf one. So it adds to the fullness and fluffiness of your brows. And to me, I feel like when you put it on, it kind of takes away the harshness of your brows if you kind of went a little overboard. So this is like the perfect final step for me. And I just brush them upwards and outwards. And like I said, while I'm doing my makeup, like I go in and touch up my brows as I go. So like this inner part right here that's kind of harsh, like by the time I'm done with my makeup, this isn't that harsh anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and come back so you guys could see like the final look of my brows once I'm done. So I'll be right back with the rest of my makeup. Okay guys, I am done with my makeup. It's kind of like fall inspired, you know. I'm a little behind on the fall look. I'm in Miami, so it doesn't feel like fall, but that was like my full brow routine, and for everybody who requested it, I hope it helped. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.